Want to make money online using AI, even if you're starting from zero? Today, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that people are using right now to make real money online. And the best part? Most of these require no experience. Let's get started. AI is changing everything in 2026. People are making money with simple tools that didn't even exist a few years ago. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 AI tools you can start using today. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools for making money online. You can use it to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails, and even ebooks. Here's how people are making money with it. Freelancing, writing content for clients, blogging, selling digital products. Even beginners can start by offering simple writing services on platforms like Fiverr. Tool number 2, Canva AI. Canva now has built-in AI tools that help you design like a pro. You can create thumbnails, social media posts, and even digital products. People are making money by selling templates, designing thumbnails for YouTubers, creating Instagram content for clients. AI does the hard work. Tool number 3, Pictory AI. This tool turns text into videos automatically. You just paste a script and it creates a full video with visuals and voice. People use it for 2022. YouTube automation channels, faceless content, short videos. This is perfect if you don't want to show your face. Tool number 4, ElevenLabs. This AI tool creates realistic voiceovers. You can generate human-like voices for videos, ads, and audiobooks. It sounds so real, most people can't tell it's AI. Tool number 5, Midjourney. This AI tool creates stunning images from text. You can use it to create digital art, print-on-demand products, NFT designs. People are making money selling AI-generated art online. So these were the top 5 AI tools to make money online in 2026. If you're serious about earning online, start using at least one of these today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.